This is the best of the drop. We have got the game master here, setting you 3 challenges. You're gonna have 30 seconds on the clock for each challenge. Can you beat the drop? What's it gonna be this time? Shape meets color.
Tell us the color of the words as quickly as possible.
Oh, that's gonna be a hard one.
Red, blue,
No,
black.
no, Steve, no, red.
Oh, color of the text?
Blue,
You're doing well.
green.
Are you ready for challenge number 2? Album artist.
Draw your album using only crayons.
You copy my... Look on myself. You do exactly the same than me.
Challenge number 3. Artist ASMR.
Oh, whisper the lyrics to a track without breaking 30 dB.
Enter the prop. Is it not going to come in?
Oh, so cute. Oh, goodbye, baby.
3, 2, 1. Canada! You did it! You beat the drop!
Okay, I'm a vending machine.